Have you ever wished you could control your phone with just a thought? Or play a video game without touching a controller? It sounds like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you think. Welcome to the world of brain-computer interfaces, or BC, is where the line between our minds and machines is blurring. Today, we're diving deep into the technology that could change humanity forever. So, how does this incredible tech actually work? Our brains are constantly buzzing with activity, sending out tiny electrical signals called brainwaves. These signals are like the brain's secret language, controlling everything we do, think, and feel. BCs are designed to listen in on this conversation. They act as translators, capturing these brain signals and converting them into commands that a computer can understand. Think of it like learning a new language. Early scientists started this journey decades ago, trying to decipher the brain's complex code. They began with simple experiments, and slowly but surely, they built the first BCs. These early devices were clunky, but they proved a revolutionary concept. We could communicate with machines without moving a muscle. The process is fascinating. Sensors, either placed on the scalp or, in more advanced cases, inside the brain, pick up neural activity. Sophisticated algorithms then analyze these patterns and translate them into actions, like moving a cursor on a screen or controlling a robotic arm. There are two main flavors of BCI, non-invasive and invasive. Non-invasive ones, like EEG caps you wear on your head, are safe and easy to use. Great for things like gaming or controlling simple devices. But for more precise control, scientists turn to invasive BCs. These involve a surgical procedure to place tiny electrodes directly into the brain. It sounds intense, but this is where the most groundbreaking progress is happening. You've probably heard of Neuralink, a company making huge waves in this field. Their goal is to create a high-bandwidth BCI that could one day help with a huge range of neurological conditions. But the applications in medicine are already here, and they're nothing short of miraculous. Imagine someone who is paralyzed being able to walk again, thanks to a BCI-controlled exoskeleton. This isn't a future dream. It's happening in labs right now. We're seeing patients regain movement, and others who have lost their sight or ability to speak are finding new ways to see and communicate. Brain-controlled prosthetic limbs are becoming more intuitive, allowing users to feel and interact with the world in ways they thought were lost forever. But it's not all about medicine. The entertainment world is getting in on the action too. Imagine a virtual reality game where you don't just see the world, you interact with it using your mind. BCI gaming could offer a level of immersion we've only ever dreamed of. And what about communication? For people who can't speak, BCs could offer a lifeline, allowing them to type messages or speak through a synthesizer, just by thinking. The potential for education is also immense, potentially accelerating learning and enhancing our cognitive abilities. Of course, this powerful technology comes with big questions. What about privacy? If a device can read our brainwaves, can it also read our thoughts? The ethical debates are just as important as the technological advancements. We need to ensure that as we merge mind and machine, we do so responsibly, protecting our innermost selves. The role of AI is crucial here, as it helps decode the brain's complexity, but we must also build safeguards against misuse. From research labs to pioneering companies around the globe, the race is on to unlock the full potential of the human brain. The future is uncertain, but it's clear we are standing on the brink of a new era. Will we one day fully merge with machines, becoming a new kind of human? The possibilities are as exciting as they are profound. The journey of mind-machine merging has just begun, and it promises to reshape our world in unimaginable ways. Thanks so much for joining me on this incredible journey into the future. If you found this as fascinating as I do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the tech that's changing everything. See you in the next one.